What is biofilm and how can it spoil processed food? Imagine tiny microbial cities thriving on surfaces in your food processing plant, building slimy layers that are nearly impossible to remove. That's what biofilm is. A slimy, glue-like layer formed when bacteria and other microorganisms stick to surfaces in moist environments by producing a sticky substance called extracellular polymeric substances. This substance acts like glue, holding the microbial community together and creating a complex, often multi-species, three-dimensional structure. These structures can be as thin as a film or as thick as a layer several millimeters deep. Biofilms are everywhere, from your teeth's plaque to the gunk-clogging drains, and they can form on natural materials, metals, plastics, and even food processing equipment. The process begins when free-floating bacteria sense a surface and attach loosely at first. Once they detect a suitable spot, they produce extracellular polymeric substances, or EPS, which help them stick more permanently. These bacteria then multiply and build a protective matrix around themselves. This matrix acts like a shield, protecting the bacteria from environmental stresses, cleaning agents, and sanitizers. Because of this shield, biofilms are notoriously tough to remove and can persist even after cleaning. In food processing environments, biofilms can form on conveyor belts, pipes, storage tanks, and other equipment where moisture and nutrients are present. Once established, they become reservoirs of bacteria that can spoil food or cause illness. These microbial communities can continuously release bacteria into the food, leading to contamination and spoilage. The EPS matrix also traps nutrients, making it easier for bacteria to survive cleaning cycles. This means even strong sanitizers may not fully eliminate them, allowing biofilms to stick around and cause problems over time. From a weird science perspective, biofilms are like tiny microbial cities with their own communication systems and defense strategies. They can exchange genetic material, spreading traits like antibiotic resistance among bacteria. Imagine microbial architects building slimy fortresses that are nearly impossible to dismantle. This bizarre behavior turns food processing into a microbial battleground. These tiny communities are resilient, clever, and capable of surviving conditions that would wipe out most bacteria. That's why controlling biofilms requires rigorous cleaning routines, special surface materials that discourage their formation, and sometimes even innovative solutions like enzymes or bacteriophages that can break down the sticky EPS matrix. Understanding biofilms helps explain how processed food can spoil in mysterious ways and opens the door to smarter ways of keeping our food safe and fresh.